paint on this car is pretty faded, so I figured it's a good time to show how most body shops would go about restoring the finish. The tools you'll need is a variable speed 7-inch rotary polisher sander with the 5/8 11 thread size, and this one's from Harbor Freight. A 7-inch backing pad with the 5/8 11 locking nut. This can be used for fiber resin discs or the buffing pad. And finally, a 7.5-inch wool buffing pad with the hole. It's always good to clean the pad first, and you can use an old screwdriver for that. We'll be using Meguiar's number 85 diamond cut compound. You can apply the compound right on the panel, or you can put some on the buffing pad. And I'm just going to wipe it in there so that it doesn't splatter. And that's about it. I'm going to finish up a little bit more of this panel, and I'll show you what that looks like. That's about all there is to it. A little bit of compound on a buffing wheel, and you can bring the shine right back. You can go ahead and use the same pad for applying the wax. Just clean it before. After a coat of wax, this is what it looks like. Again, this is the exact process most body shops would use to quickly restore faded paint. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on bringing back the shine. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.